My name is Arnav Gopinath. I am 12 years old and I'm going into 7th grade. When I first came to this camp, I personally didn't want to be here. I thought it might be a waste of time, and it was like I was forced to come here, and I don't think I was particularly invested on like the first day or first half a day, but like as the camp went on, I feel like it got better and better, and the techniques that they taught us, they got better and better and more useful. And now at the end of the third day, I think that this camp has really helped me, and like I feel like it's made my summer a lot better, as I feel like I haven't wasted my summer. And yeah, now I'm gonna be a lot more like, school is gonna be a lot easier for me now that I know all these techniques.